This is Gyanis Dikshit. Now we are starting chapter 4, that is linear equation in two variables. So here firstly we define algebraic equation. So an algebraic equation is a statement of equality of an algebraic expression involving one or more variables. Example, 2x plus 1 equals to 5. It is an equation in which there is one variable x and its degree is 1, so it is linear equation. Clear? Now second one is 3x minus 4y equals to 9. Here it is the equation in two variables, linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now linear equation in one variable, an equation with degree 1 in one variable only is known as linear equation in one variable. For example, 3x plus 1 equals to 7 minus x, or we can write this one also, 2x plus 1 equals to 5. Second example, x plus 7 equals to 3 minus x. Now next, linear equation in two variables. Here an equation with degree 1 in two variables is known as linear equation in two variables. Its standard form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0 and b also not equal to 0. Because if a and b will be 0, then if a is 0, then it is the equation in one variable. Same here, if b is 0, then the equation in again one variable, and if both are 0, then the equation not equation, it is only constant terms. Okay, so 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0, it is a standard form. Here a is the coefficient of x, so here it is 2, b is the coefficient of y, and here it is 3, c is constant term here, and it is constant here 7. Clear? Same, 7x minus 5y minus 9 equals to 0. Here the coefficient of x, it is a, here it is 7. Coefficient of y, b, that is equal to minus 5. With sign you have to take. Constant term is minus 9. Now solution of a linear equation in one variable. वन वेरिएबल लीनियर इक्वेशंस के सॉल्यूशन के बारे में. द वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल विच satisfies the given equation is called a solution or root of the given equation. Easy example, solution of an equation 2x plus 3 equals to 0 is minus 3 by 2. How we get it? If we separate 2x here, so 3 goes to in RHS, that will be negative, and if we separate x, then minus 3 upon 2, and it satisfies the equation. So we check it. If we substitute x equals minus 3 by 2 in the place of x, so 2 into x, that means 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3 equals to 2 से 2 cancel हो जाएगा, so we get minus 3 and it is plus 3, so that will be 0, which is also equal to RHS. That means LHS equal to RHS, so equation satisfies. Now solution of a linear equation in two variables. A pair of variables or of variables, a pair of values of variables which satisfies the given equation is called a solution of the given equation. This solution is written as an ordered pair as xy. Ordered pair means the order is fixed. For example, is first value is x, first variable, and second value represent for second variable, that is y. Here example, linear equation 4x plus 3y equals to 12. If we put x equals to 3, y equals to 0, so in RHS LHS 4 into 3, x के प्लेस पे 3, so 4 into 3 plus 3 into y के प्लेस पे 0, so 4 3 या 12 plus 3 into 0 0, so 12 plus 0 equal to 12. That means LHS equal to RHS. Clear? So here one solution we get 3 comma 0. Hence if we put x equals to 0, y equals to 4, अगर हम x की वैल्यू हमने चेंज कर दी, y की वैल्यू चेंज कर दी, तो 4 इंटू एक्स के प्लेस पे 0 आ गया, और y के प्लेस पे 3 इंटू 4, 3 4 12, it is 0, so again 12 means it is also satisfied. That means here we get 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. 0 is x and y is 4, so 0 comma 4 are the solution of given equation 4x plus 3y equals to 12. Here some points to remember. A linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. For example, there is a linear equation 4x plus 3y equals to 12. Here we put first solution we get 3 comma 0, second solution we get 0 comma 4. Such type of solutions we can get infinite solution here. So a linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. जो one variable equation होगी उसका unique solution होगा. For example, here we have 2x plus 3 equals to 0. It's only have one solution minus 3 by 2. मीन्स इस इक्वेशन का केवल एक सॉल्यूशन होगा minus 3 by 2, जबकि जो टू वेरिएबल इक्वेशन है उसके बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशंस हो जाएंगे. नाउ इक्वेशन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस इन वन वेरिएबल. अगर हम एक्स एक्सिस की इक्वेशन लिखें वन वेरिएबल में, सो दैट इज y इक्वल्स टू 0. इफ यू पुट इन टू वेरिएबल्स, सो इट इज 0 इंटू एक्स प्लस 1 इंटू वाई इक्वल्स टू 0. सेम here equation of y axis in one variable, that is x equal to 0. In two variables if we write, so x plus 0 into y, y का मल्टीपल 0 मान लिया तो ये टू वेरिएबल हो जाएगा इक्वल टू 0. इक्वेशन ऑफ line parallel to x axis, that is y equal to a, and equation of line parallel to y axis, that is x equal to a. Now one more term, the graph of every linear equation in two variables is a straight line. टू वेरिएबल लीनियर इक्वेशन है, उसका ग्राफ हमेशा एक स्ट्रेट लाइन होगा. एवरी पॉइंट ऑन द ग्राफ ऑफ अ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल is a solution of the linear equation. For example, if we draw, this is x-axis, horizontal line is x-axis, this is y-axis, vertical line. Now here the equation of the x-axis equation अगर हम लिखें तो क्या होगा, y equal to 0. Here we wrote here y equal to 0, this one. And equation of y-axis, that is x equal to 0. Here we wrote x equal to 0. And equation of parallel line of x-axis, अगर हम x-axis की parallel line draw करें, it is x-axis and this line is parallel to x-axis. Its equation y equal to a. Here it is written. And the equation which is parallel to y-axis, its equation is x equal to b or a we can write, but a and b both the values are different, both are constant, so we can put any value. Clear? Here we draw one line. For example, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Here we put 1, 2, 3. 1 unit equals to 1 centimeter on both axes. So here one point we put here, one line we draw. It passes from 2, 1, means x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Next point is 4, 2. Next is 6, 3. Next is 8, 4 we can put. Here we put one negative point is also minus 2, minus 1. Here we see the equation. If we see here x equals to 2. For one value, if we put here x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. That means here we say x is double of y, x equal to 2y, or we can write in the equation form x minus 2y equals to 0. Constant here it is 0, constant 0 है यहाँ पे. और हम देखें अगर हम कोई भी पॉइंट होगा x इक्वल टू 2y इसको सेटिस्फाई करेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर देखो 4 और 2, x 4 है y 2, दैट मीन्स 4 इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 2. सेम है 6 इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 3. हियर माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 2 इंटू माइनस 1, दैट मीन्स हर पॉइंट उस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा. तो ये इक्वेशन कौन सी थी, x माइनस 2y. पॉइंट से भी हमने एक इक्वेशन ड्रॉ कर दी, और इस अगर ये इक्वेशन दी हुई है तो उससे हम पॉइंट फाइंड कर सकते हैं कोई भी वैल्यू पुट करके. ओके, नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 4.1. सो हियर इन दिस एक्सरसाइज 4.1, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी विल स्टार्ट. द कॉस्ट ऑफ अ नोटबुक इज ट्वाइस द कॉस्ट ऑफ अ पेन. राइट अ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स टू रिप्रेजेंट दिस स्टेटमेंट. टेक द कॉस्ट ऑफ अ नोटबुक टू बी x. सो हियर वी आर अज्यूमिंग लेट कॉस्ट ऑफ वन notebook be rupees x and cost of one second thing is one pen be rupees y. This is we assume. Now first condition, again we repeat the question. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. It is given here, ATQ we can write here according to question. So what is given here, cost of notebook is twice, that means equals to 2 into cost of pen. It is given here. If we note down cost of notebook, we assume x, so it is x equal to 2 into y. 2y transferred here, that means we will get x minus 2y equals to 0. Clear? Which is required linear equation in two variables. Now second question, we start. Express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. जो constants की जो value है वो आपको लिखनी है. So first part in this question, 2x plus 3y equals to 9.35 bar. Bar is on only 5. So firstly we have to convert into standard form. So we can write it 2x plus 3y. This is 9.35 bar. It is in RHS. So if we convert into LHS, shift कर देंगे LHS में, तो ये माइनस का हो जाएगा. So minus 9.35 bar equals to 0. Now we can compare. So on comparing this equation with standard form. So standard form क्या होती है, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So a is the coefficient of x here. Here the coefficient is 2. So we will have a equals to 2. b is the constant of y, by. So here 3y, that means b equal to 3. Constant c, that means it is minus 9.35 bar. Clear? Now same as second part, x minus y upon 5 minus 10 equals to 0. It is given here. So we can write it, or we can directly compare it also. So on comparing, because it is already in standard form, so on comparing with standard form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So here a is the coefficient of x, here it is 1, so that means a equal to 1. b is the coefficient of y, so y के multiply में देखिए माइनस और अपॉन में 5 है, so we can write it 1/5 because 1 into y we can write, that means b will be minus 1/5. c is the constant term which is minus 10. Now next part, third part is minus 2x plus 3y minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. So convert into standard form. So minus 2x plus 3y constant term shift to LHS, that will be negative, so equal to 0. Now comparing with standard form, which is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So a, that is minus 2, b coefficient of y which is 3, and c constant, that is minus 6. Now fourth part, which is x equals to 3y, अगेन 3y को शिफ्ट कर लो LHS में, सो x माइनस 3y इक्वल्स टू 0. कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म यहाँ पे नहीं है, कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म नहीं है मीन्स c को हम क्या लेंगे 0. तो ऑन कंपेयरिंग with standard form, which is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. A is the coefficient of x, here in multiply x, that is 1, so a equal to 1 we can write, and b, that is coefficient of y which is minus 3. C is the constant term which is not here, that means we can write 0. Next part, which is fifth part, 2x equals to minus 5y. So minus 5y transfer to LHS, so 2x it will be plus, so plus 5y equals to 0. Again on comparing with standard form, which is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So a is the coefficient of x which is 2, a is 2, b is 5, c is not here, that means 0. कांस्टेंट है नहीं वहाँ पे, तो 0 मान लेंगे, ठीक है. नाउ सिक्स्थ पार्ट इज 3x plus 2 equals to 0, 3x plus 2 equals to 0. सो अगर हमें y का नहीं है, y यहाँ पे है नहीं, तो y का मल्टीपल हम 0 भी लिख सकते हैं, 0 इंटू वाई, या फिर डायरेक्ट भी कंपेयर कर दें. तो यहाँ पे ऑन कंपेयरिंग with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So a equals to 3, b coefficient of y here it is not here, that means we can put 0, 0 into y we can write, c equals to constant which is 2. Now seventh part, which is y minus 2 equals to 0. Again on comparing with equation is standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So a will be coefficient of x, here it is not here, that means we can put 0. b coefficient of y, it is 1, and constant term c is minus 2. Last part of this exercise and this question also, which is 5 equals to 2x. 5 equal to 2x. So 2x we can transfer in LHS, that means minus 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So now on comparing with standard form, which is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now we have a equals to minus 2, coefficient of x, here it is 2 minus 2, b coefficient of y it is not here, so b equals to 0. c is the constant term which is 5, that means c equals to 5. This is the exercise